This is a review of the IK7 Carplay that I'll be doing a review about, and in this video we're going to show you guys all the stuff that it features. This is a 10-inch display, and right here you can see I have it mounted to my iPhone, which is a 15 Pro Max, and you can see that's the interface of it. So if you own a older model car or vehicle, and it pretty much you don't got those features, then this is probably one of the best things to have. This does offer a 4K backup camera for the front and 1080p for the rear, which is a very huge plus. It's very cool that it offers that 4K for the front and 1080p for the rear, which is plenty enough. So it's you can use this as a dash cam. And one of the things I like about it is that you could I use my music playlist, everything. I use everything in this thing, and it works very well. It's very phenomenal, outstanding. It's a touchless screen. You can see that I'm gonna go move it to right over here. Let's see, you can move it like there. You see the phone, the map. It offers a lot of stuff. And right over here you can see my displays. I have it on my Apple display. I mainly use this. So if you're looking for a 10-inch display that offers a lot of stuff, then this is probably one of the best ones from IK7, and I would definitely recommend this. I had this for quite a long while now, and it really works. No lagging or anything like that. Dash cam, it works like that. If you want to use this as a dash cam, you can go ahead and use that as well too. And when you have it on, it does it with the cigarette lighter, so you just plug it in and it works like that. So it's very easy and user friendly. It's nothing too hard, and it sticks on with the suction mount right over here, and it's not too complex. I use the suction mount. It's not too hard. There's another way to do it, but it doesn't really stick that well, so I use the suction mount instead. But it doesn't move while you're driving the car. It sticks where it's at. I would definitely recommend this. You can use this as a GPS, the messenger system. Like, see, I have the interface of the Apple and the screen. You could also work this out with the Android as well too, but I have an iPhone, so I use the iPhone version of it. I would definitely recommend this. I use this to listen to all my music playlist. It works very well. It works very fast, and the settings, it offers pretty much a lot of stuff. You own Android, you can work it out like that, as well, like that too. I have for the Apple iPhone, so it works very well. I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a new replacement set for your screen. You want to improvise your car interior and just give out pretty much a new look to it, and change the experience of it. If you own a older model vehicle, then this is probably one of the best touchscreen displays you could get, and I would definitely recommend this product.